Now about with the part 2.
لاين كبير جدا.
I never did that before. Show the yellow one and see if it works. Nope.
No way.
But this works. You can take turns playing with these RC toys. Huh?
You need the take the remote control from this one and put it to this one. This one for this one. You need to put
I got this. Okay, this one is.
this one for here. Did you put battery here or not?
Yeah.
Or try again?
You can't.
Huh?
You can't.
You can try this. The blue one is for the blue one. The yellow one for the yellow one.
Yep, it does work.
Give me 1 second.
I got this.
Does it have battery or not?
Yes.
Okay. Try again. Yeah, close this one. Yeah.
I think you have to use.
Maybe the battery is old.
Yeah.
Take the battery from here, put it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe the battery kind of.
Yeah.
What they've been sending for decades. They've been sitting around for like a.
Yes. Like last time, the battery was not.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
See? Here. You were putting it the wrong way. Try it now, before you close. Here you go. Here
That's
you
much
go.
better.
Yeah. You just put it the wrong way. Alhamdulillah. You want a surprise?
Let's try again.
Take some piece of meat, fish, and you know.
Let's do it both at the same time.
Just put it
So you can chase Pac-Man.
You want more?
No.
Okay.
If I really like that Pac-Man and Blinky RC toy, it's probably the coolest thing ever. It lights up when it turns blue and red, but this one has some clear bits. Yes, it turns red and blue, but this one, if you turn it off, it's white. I also like this RC toy. If you had in mind, you can replace old batteries and put some new batteries in there. I bet you can show me how to do this by your own size. It possibly do this. It possibly know how to do this. Because this toy is for ages 8 and up. If we have in mind, you can let me know in the comments. You have this before, if you like it or not. That's why I need to show you how to do this. We can follow you right here, like this one. If you had like this on the box. Hold on a second. Pac-Man, Blinky chase Pac-Man, and this turns into blue and red. But I don't care. You show how to do this. I got it at Five Below for $23. We haven't seen it before, like we always do. It's a cool box, like we never seen before. I can keep it in my collection from now on. You show it how it works. Thanks for watching the box here of the Pac-Man, Remote Control, Pac-Man, and Blinky. Bye.